Today's episode focuses on two practical habits that make a big difference: repair and upcycle before replacing. First, adopt a repair mindset by fixing simple items like a torn bag or a loose zipper. Second, cut energy waste with a smart power strip and a quick fridge temperature check every few weeks. These steps save resources and money while keeping comfort intact, turning small actions into a sustainable daily routine. Share one doable project weekly with friends to build momentum toward a lighter environmental footprint.